So this book is available in Amazon.com. You can even buy it in bookstores worldwide. So you might want to look for this book. But this book lists all the supplements available in the market, most especially in Canada and in the US. So this book tells us about each supplements listed. So there are 18 criteria that they test in one supplement. So is it complete? Is it potent? Does it have the mineral form, vitamin E, bone, heart, liver, so on and so forth? So if all the 18 components have been tested, then they are rated according to stars. If they're good vitamins, you have 5 stars. So 1 being the lowest score. So if you're one of the best, then you'll have the gold star rating. So this is how the book looks like. And some of the most common that's in the book is, of course, number 1, Centrum. So we know Centrum. The reason why it's very famous because they spend so much money on marketing and advertisement. But it's surprising that in this book, they found out the Centrum is only scored half star. So it's only 5% absorbable. That's 10 pesos. You're only using less than 1 peso that's being used by your body, but the rest are already being flushed out. So you have Kirkland, scored 1.5. Amway has 1.5. Herbalife scored 2. And in Global, Nature's Way, 3.5, 4, but not really a 5. So, we know that the most common supplements have been mentioned here, but they scored very low because probably they don't spend so much on research and development, but they spend money on marketing. That's why a lot of people know it. But in this book, there are only 4 companies that got the 5-star. So you have Blueberry Health Sciences, which is also available. It's only available in the US. Douglas Laboratories, TrueStar, available in the US and in Canada. And USANA Health Sciences, which is also in Canada and in the US. So if you want to give yourself and your family the best supplements there is in the market, so you can choose among the 4. But here in the Philippines, we don't have any choice because only USANA is in the Philippines. So that's why it's probably gained popularity here. It's already the number 1 adult supplement in the Philippines. So what is in our essentials? This is our essentials. It's already available in Canada and in US, but this is for total body health. The pair of supplements, one is antioxidants, the other is minerals. It contains 13 vitamins, 13 minerals, and 20 powerful antioxidants. The antioxidants fight your free radicals. Plus, we are the only supplements that has olive oil in the formulation. So this is the purest extract of olive oil. So it's patented by Dr. Myronens, but no other supplements can follow the formulation that we have. So short term, you will notice that you'll have better sleep quality, you'll have extra stamina during the day, and you will move your bowel every day, which is very important. Long term, you will see anti-aging, you'll have better metabolism, and you will have healthier, more radiant skin. So in the Philippines, we're considered a home remedy drug, so we are FDA approved in the Philippines without the mark no approved therapeutic claim. So we don't have that because we are FDA approved. So imagine giving your body 46 components and 20 components, which are the vitamins and minerals needed on a daily basis, and you have 20 powerful antioxidants. So that way you will be able to help fight your body, fight the free radicals that gets in your body on a daily basis. So how much is our essentials? So if you compare it to the market in the Philippines, you'll have to buy Centrum, Myra E, Conzace 4G, Caltrate, Circulan, Liver Aid, Optane, Renalin, and Palaya Plus. And that will cost you about 280 pesos to buy all of it on a daily basis. But you get all of that in our USANA Essentials. 1 dose of it can already complete all the vitamins and minerals that you need. And it's only for 15 pesos per tab. If you are a distributor or an associate, You only get it for 13 pesos per tab, so much cheaper. So when you give your body the optimum dose of our essentials, you're already providing your body with all the nutrients that they need on a daily basis. So you need not eat 18 oranges, 80 bananas, 20 eggs. The formulation of our essentials already provides your body all the nutrients and vitamins that you need on a daily basis. So we also have products like Cusanimals for children. We also have optimizers. Optimizers are like snipers. So if you have specific organ in the body that needs specific target. So for example, you already have problems with your liver, so we have Hepacil. I'm going to discuss each product now. Just a quick look at the products that we have. So much of the products that we have are also available in Canada and in the US. So we have Proflavanol C. Our Proflavanol C is a combination of our vitamin C and vitamin E all in one tab. So this is for people with hypertension. It will help them fight hypertension. For people who wants to get or to have better cardiovascular health, this will boost immune function because it has vitamin C in it, grapeseed extract. And people with skin allergies or skin problems. Even people with asthma, allergies, Proflavanol C can help them fight their conditions. So Coquinone 30 is also one of the best products of USANA. So Coquinone is ubiquinone when it's naturally produced by the body. So Coquinone is already the outside source of ubiquinone. But this enzyme gives your cells the energy that it needs for you to be able to do things like being an athlete. So you need a lot of physical workout. So Coquinone helps you achieve that. So this is for cellular energy, people with heart problem, because Coquinone, there's a lot of Coquinone found in our heart. That's why we do not have cancer of the heart, because we have high Coquinone in it. So if you already have heart problems, then supplementing yourself with Coquinone will help you fight the condition. So Coquinone will also help you fight cancer when used or supplemented long term. So this is for brain health, muscle function for athletes, and couples who cannot conceive children. So Coquinone can help them achieve their goal of finally having a baby. So Biomega is our fish oil. So our fish oil undergoes double distillation, so it doesn't have lead content in it. When you use it long term, there's no long-term effect of Alzheimer's disease. So this is a formulation of EPA, DHA, and vitamin D for cellular support. And this is good for people with coronary heart disease, people who reads a lot, people who study, students, and people whose jobs requires a lot of thinking. So Biomega can help them. People with bad cholesterol, they can also use our fish oil. And this is also good for pregnant women because it has EPA and DHA. So that's heart health for the mother and brain development for the baby. So Biomega Junior is our fish oil for kids. So they just made it creative so your children will take it. But it comes in a gel pack in orange pineapple flavor. So you can mix this with a juice, or you can also have them just eat it because it's sweet and it's natural. So they don't feel the fish taste of Biomega. So we also have Problucamine for the immune system. So it contains 5 components of natural sources of mostly plants that boost the immune system. So some of it are the mushrooms found in China. So this is a very good product of USANA. For those people who easily get cough and colds, this is best for them. We also have Hepacil for the liver. So this is one of the most saleable products we have for seafarers and for people with problems with the liver. Why? Because if you know Godex, it's a very expensive medication for people with fatty liver, but the components of Godex are the same as that of Hepacil. So it's all nutrients that will help fight your liver condition. So the main ingredient of our Hepacil is our milk thistle. So it's one of the most common, powerful plant that fights the condition of your liver. So this is also good for people with kidney failure, gouty arthritis, gallbladder stones, and even those who want to have fairer skin. Because if you detox your liver on a daily basis, you will be able to produce glutathione naturally, which will give you the glow. We have USANA Probiotic, pretty much like your Yakult, so it helps give you a healthy gut. So it's good for diarrhea. It promotes better immune function because immunity starts at your gut. And those people experiencing indigestion, so probiotic can also help them. We also have Vision X for the eyes. So people with problems with visual acuity, glaucoma, those with eye capillary showing, and cataract problem, our Vision X can help them. We also have Proposa for the joints, for arthritis, for joint comfort, and for rheumatoid arthritis as well, osteo and rheumatoid arthritis. So it has natural sources of curcumin complex, which avoids the recurrence of pain, and it doesn't have any side effects if you use it long term because it's all natural. So we also have active calcium. It's called active because you do not need to go out for you to be able to utilize the calcium in our formulation. So we are also using the expensive form of calcium that doesn't create kidney stones. So it will help ease hyperacidity for people with GERD. Also helps prevent osteoporosis in women. So we also have phytoestrogen for menopausal women. We also have Palmetto Plus for men for their prostate health. And we also have Pure Rest that will promote good sleep. So we also have NutriMeal for those who want to lose weight. So this is not a diet shake or a diet drink. It's a meal replacement drink. So one serving of our NutriMeal will give you balance, fats, carbohydrates, and protein. That's why it makes your tummy full. So you're like eating a complete meal every time you get one serving of our NutriMeal. If you want to transform your physical health, you can start with our NutriMeal Reset program. We also have Rev3 energy drink for athletes, mountain climbers, and those who have active physical activities. So USANA has been awarded in the state of Utah. So there are 97 pharmaceuticals in Utah, but USANA has won so many awards, including the best there is in the state of Utah when it comes to dietary supplements. So we've had 11 wins since 2003. We have the best personal care. So we have a new skincare line called Celavive that's created so much noise in the skincare industry now. So our Rev3, our energy drink, has also been awarded to be one of the best health beverage, 6 wins since 2009. We have been recognized for our research and development, and we have the best nutrition product, 4 wins since 2009. So we are in the Blue Book of Doctors. You can check on that. So we can actually be recommended by doctors. So this is to show you that at pdr.net, USANA Health Sciences is also there. So doctors can safely recommend our products. So this is our FDA registration in the Philippines, considering USANA as a home remedy drug. And we are partnered with Dr. Mehmet Oz, who is a very famous cardiologist. He recommends USANA to his patients. And we have ambassadors as well, but they are not paid by USANA. They just use USANA products. And the best part is our Elite Athlete Guarantee. So the athletes that are part of the USANA family, they do not get paid to advertise USANA, but they get products worth 50,000 pesos worth every month. So we have the $1 million guarantee. If at any point in their athlete life they are tested to take something that's not natural, they will be revoked of their title. So if in any case you're a USANA athlete and that happens, USANA will pay you $1 million. So that's their guarantee. So in the Philippine setting, we have Eliza Valdez, we have JC Tenorio, LA Tenorio, JC Ental, we have Patrimonio, we even have B-Boy Rivera. They are all USANA athletes. So even Manny Pacquiao himself takes USANA. So that's about